Verifone VX520 US. With a new software version, a download is always required to your credit card machine. That's when we need your help, as we need someone to physically punch a series of numbers on your terminal to initiate the update. Before initiating the download, you should always remember to close the batch on your terminal, as downloading your device might erase transaction information from your terminal. First, you need to close the batch on your terminal. From the main payment screen, press the F3 button for settlement. The sale and refund totals will display. Press the green Enter button to confirm. The terminal will dial out and close the batch. Now that the batch is closed, it's safe to initiate the download. Please note that your terminal needs an active IP connection in order to be able to download successfully. From the main screen, press F2 and F4 buttons simultaneously. Enter the password 1alpha66831 and press Enter. Press the purple button with a small down arrow to select Download and press Enter. Ensure that the group ID is 2. If it is not, press the 2 key to change it and press Enter. Enter the password 1alpha66831 and press Enter. Press the purple button with a down arrow to select Partial Download and press Enter. Press the far left purple button to scroll to the next screen, and then use a purple key on the right to select TCP/IP. Press Enter. Select Download and press Enter. Select Ethernet and press Enter. Select Download. Check that the IP address here reads as 209.154.100.063 and press Enter. If the IP address shown is incorrect, press F4 and edit it. To make a period, press on the number 1, and then press the alpha button until the number 1 turns into a period. Next, you will see a port number. For accounts with one merchant ID, the port number should be 38014. For accounts with multiple merchant IDs, the port number should be 38017. Press the F4 button if you need to edit the port number. Once you are done, press Enter. Next, the terminal will prompt SSL. Make sure it reads True. If the value there is set to false, press Edit to switch it to True and press Enter. Block size is not needed for IP. Press Enter. Heap size is not needed for IP. Press Enter. Next, you will see your terminal ID or V number. Press Enter if it's correct. If not, you can edit it by pressing F4 for Edit. Here, key in the application name XEVA440 and press Enter. Make sure Resumable Download is set to false and press Enter. For the next few screens, just keep pressing Enter until you see that the terminal started downloading. Once the download is done, press the red X. Menu should appear on the screen on the lower left corner. Press the far left purple button where it says Menu. Then use the purple button associated with the down arrow and select Restart. Once the terminal restarts, you're good to go.